All right.
Oh, the handle you mean?
Frost Cutlery. You squeeze them in there tight, draw through. They're made to squeeze back so they pick up the original edge. Takes the original bevels up as sharp as they ever get.
Oops.
We're American made. We offer a lifetime guarantee.
Oh, raggedy.
Today I got them 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. How's that feel?
I got the carbide. Are these carbide also?
It's titanium with carbide. See, it works. 100% American made, lifetime guaranteed. The Block Sharpener will sharpen any blade.